Learn English with a story for Level 1 English learners. The story of Emma and Max. Emma and Max are friends. They live in a small town. Emma likes dogs. She has a dog named Max. Max is a good dog. He likes to play. Emma and Max like to walk in the park. They see birds and flowers. Max likes to chase birds. Emma laughs. Vocabulary. Friend. Someone you like and spend time with. Dog. A pet animal. Park. A place with grass and trees where people can walk and play. Bird. A flying animal. Flower. A colorful plant. Comprehension questions. 1. Who are the main characters in the story? 2. What is Emma's dog's name? 3. What do Emma and Max like to do in the park? 4. What does Max like to chase? Answer key. 1. Emma and Max. 2. Max. 3. Walk. 4. Birds. This story is designed for Level 1 English learners, with simple vocabulary and short sentences. The comprehension questions help learners check their understanding of the story. Let me know if you'd like me to create more stories for Level 1 English learners.